How is your online classes going on?
The teacher is, teaching, and I am the only one who is asking questions.
And did you score well in your first sem? Okay, so good news is this is your passport submission request.
Oh, it
That
has come.
it has. So
Thank
that's
God,
the good
finally.
news and congratulations. I wanted to talk to you, however, but yeah, this was something I had to tell you. I wanted to tell you personally about this. And I know you've been waiting from July and it's been quite some
Uh,
time. I looked at all the dates today for your case and July is, long. It's been very long. I guess 7 months now that you've been waiting. So, congratulations. And I know you've been so patient with us, with everybody. So, we don't know sometimes what to tell, our students when they've been waiting for so long because some things are not in our hands. We're trying, we are following up, we are raising a collective web forms, we are raising collective emails
mm,
to the high commission from our end, whatever we can do as whatever in capacity we can do it, but it's just it's the delay is really from the back end, so it gets difficult for us to. So how do you feel? I know you've been waiting for very long. You're studying and doing everything possible, and every 1 week, okay, send me the status update. Send me the status
uh,
update.
that had become a routine of mine.
I know it has become a routine of ours too because we have to do it for most of you that download and send you the status, and we never really find it good to not have any update for you. But
I understand.
yeah, so when was it that we got your AIP? When was that?
3rd September, I guess.
3rd September to now. It's yours. The result is out on yesterday night, I think. Yeah, yesterday
Yeah.
night. Got it. Feb 15.
You, you won't believe. Last night, me and my wife were having this conversation.
Hmm.
यार कब आएगा कब आएगा? And
Hmm.
she said कि why don't you shoot an email to Kavita and ask. मैं
Huh.
मैं तो वो हर हफ्ते करता हूँ. Every Wednesday at 8
I,
or 9 a.m. I have to do. So she
yeah.
said कि no आज करो Tuesday आज करो करके देखो. मैं वोकअप आई सेड कि ठीक है मैं करता हूँ देन आई सॉ योर ईमेल मैं कहा चलो फिर मैं कॉन्वर्सेशन के ड्यूरिंग ही पूछ लूंगा
Lunga.
बट
Yeah, yeah. So
ली
we're very happy. Congratulations again to you, to your wife, to your family,
थैंक
and finally you will. I mean, we will tell you the rest of the procedure. I mean, the team will be calling and telling you the rest of the procedure. And is there anything else that we can help with? We'll be there till you reach Canada. Even after that, actually. So yeah, we'll help in whatever possible way we can. But you have to keep a little patience, more patience, because it's going to take a little more time. A lot of backlog is there at the VFS end. VFS is doing biometrics, VFS is doing passport collection, stamping, getting it back to you. So at least assume it a month from now that you will be able to, fly to Canada. It wouldn't be before that because the whole process takes time. It takes like 10 to 15 days just for getting to the VFS, making them stamp, collecting your passport, stamping your passport, getting it back to you, then informing the college, because informing the college right now you can inform with this submission request if you would like, but passport a visa stamp is more preferred
ओके
than just this letter. So you'll have to wait for another 10-12 days on that. And post that, once you do submit your visa copy to the college, they are going to ask you to plan your travel. They'll probably give you some dates for travel. You need to plan your you need to arrange for your isolation plan, and then once that's approved, then you will be able to travel. So that's like 1 month from now, wouldn't be before that. But having said that, a passport submission request means the visa is going to be stamped. I haven't seen people with after this getting any sort of negative outcome, so that's not going to happen, so you shouldn't be worried about that at all.
दैट्स ग्रेट गुड
Yeah. So anything else that you would like? Yeah, I would like to have a feedback from you for our team, for everyone, and then we are done with this call for today.
Okay. So feedback I have already given, but I would like
I
to
know,
repeat
but
it.
I want it again after, I know that you've been waiting for so long, so the feedback has to be more, from a different perspective now.
Yeah. Overall, my experience with you guys have been, really great.
Yeah.
Uh, since the beginning of my application processing, you have been, very patient with me because, I have raised so many questions, so many doubts. I don't know if somebody else is in your place. I don't know if he would have done or not. I mean, वो आउट ऑफ पेशेंट वो अपना पेशेंस खो दिया होता उसने अभी तक सो
Right.
इन दैट रिगार्ड यू हैव बीन रियली ग्रेट
Thank
एंड
you.
प्रोसेसिंग टाइम चाहे मेरी क्वेरीज हो ईमेल के थ्रू फोन्स के थ्रू व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू यू हैव बीन देयर यू हैव टेकन योर टाइम बट to give a good suggestion or give a good piece of advice to me so it has been really great and I would suggest other people to take your
Right.
services.
So when you'll be travel, thank you for your feedback. And once you'll be traveling, so you'll be going to your relatives because you're doing online. So you reside? Are you
Yeah,
going to stay with them, or are you going to go directly to your college location?
I was thinking of going to stay with my in-laws. I think that would be a good choice.
So I'll connect with you again, Vipin, once the other set of procedures are being initiated. So we will keep in touch on emails. Can you hear me? Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, so we'll keep in touch on emails. What you have my number, so WhatsApp is always quick and good, so that's not an issue. Kindly, you can start preparations, whatever you need to do. Regarding your, further your spouse traveling, it's a procedure that's going to come in once you reach
yeah,
Canada. It cannot be done right away. So you can call her once you are settled a little bit. That is what I would suggest because
yeah.
don't worry about the job scenario. All it's pretty okay. I've spoken to a lot of students who have been there for past 1 year or 1.5 year. They are doing fine as far as work experience or jobs are concerned. So
Hmm.
if you really have it in you to do it, you're going to find good job. And because students have worked more during this time than anybody else, actually, more than the Canadians
Hmm.
itself. So that shouldn't be a problem at all anyway. Okay. So I will talk to you again once your passport gets stamped, and then let's see if you can visit office and meet us once before you go. That
Sure,
will be,
sure,
yeah.
sure. Yeah.
All right then,
Thank
Vipin, congratulations, and we'll send you the letter in a while. All right, on your email.
you so much. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye. Good luck. How is your online classes going on?
I,
How
I mean, it has been good. The
mm,
classes are going good.
how are your professors?
They are, I mean, awesome, outstanding.
Are you serious? Because some
Yeah,
some students do not have that kind of a review for their professors, so that's why I'm asking you this question.
my professors are really great.
Okay, so you're learning because you are able to apply things practically also, I believe, because you've been working for
Yeah,
quite some time.
exactly. There have been instances when the teacher is, teaching and I am the only one who is asking questions. So
Yes,
there have been situations.
yes, yes. But teachers are able to answer the questions. That's
Yeah,
important.
because
Yeah.
because I'm from a law background, and when they are teaching something about law in their context, Canadian context, then I usually compare it with Indian context.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. So how different is Canadian law from, I mean, your, whole course curriculum from what you've studied? How different it is?
theoretically, I don't think there are major differences because both set of governments, both set of countries, follow the same kind of infrastructure in legal matters.
Yeah.
But in implementation, there are, very big differences.
I'm sure there will be. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so a lot of students are getting interview calls. Vipin, you must have heard, or if you have some groups, you
Hmm.
must have got to know. So the interview calls are not any serious concerns or anything like that. Just make sure that you read your statement of purpose once again, and you anyways you're aware about your profile, you know that you've been doing online classes and other things, because some colleges have gone into audit and some colleges are still going into audit. So because of that, it's coming on to students now. They're going to question, if nothing is fake, everything is genuine. That's what they are going to
Okay.
ask. And they might ask you about your family information when you submitted your file. So it means they want to know that you're aware of
Hmm.
your stuff. That's
Yeah.
that's important. Few students we've known have had their, very few have got from our set of students, and those who have got are also very easily they could answer questions.
Okay.
They didn't ask you why you chose this course, or nothing
No.
like that. They're not going to ask you anything technical. They're
Mm-hmm.
mostly asking that, do you know that if you get your visa, then do you know the quarantine requirements? Do you know, how you want to settle down? Have you thought about it? How long you've been studying online? And question, because it's directly coming from the visa departments.
Okay.
So those kind of questions can come up. And if, especially in your case, since yours is a marriage case, you're married. In that case, they ask questions about your spouse.
Okay.
Yeah. And they might ask you who is your sponsor and how are you funding your studies. So they just want to understand that nothing is fake on your accounts, like whatever you've submitted in your funds, because funds has become the most important concern during the time of
Mm.
COVID. So they don't want to get into this concern. So that's the main thing, right? So that's why I wanted to tell you this, and I wanted to know how are your classes. That's extremely important. And did you score well in your first sem?
Yeah. I got pretty good marks.
Good, good. And how about your students in your batch? You must be having a WhatsApp group or some group you'll be having, I'm sure. Are you
Yeah.
keeping in touch with them?
Yeah. Yeah. But we are on Snap group.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, only three students are from India,
Oh,
including me.
no, that is not unfortunately. That's a good thing, isn't it?
It's unfortunate when it comes to using WhatsApp
When
because
it
I
comes to
never
using
used
WhatsApp.
Snapchat and they made me do it.
Yeah. So how many of them are staying outside Canada? Are some of them from Canada right now in Canada as well, or
Yeah,
everybody's outside?
two of us are, including me and one of my batchmates. He is from Ludhiana, and
Okay.
third person he is in Ontario itself. So
Oh, okay, okay. So, about the rest of your group, so those people, not Indians, but otherwise non-Indians, so they are from different places, different countries.
no, no, no. All of them are from Canada.
Oh, all of them from Canada. So international, I mean, the domestic students are there in your class too. That's what you are saying. But that's a good thing, because many people do not get that opportunity. They have to study with a lot of Asian students. So I think that's a pretty good thing if you've got an opportunity to study with them. So